And you're parked on the wrong side.
You'll arrive.
What the fuck is wrong with you?
Runs on promises. We know because we
can't park next to a fire hydrant there.
And we know because promises help build strong relationships between you.
Gig data bonus on select 2-year plans. Get the best finds with extra data. You find that and you're like, what? Awesome. Visit a Fido store. Conditions apply. Fido.
Oh, you can't signal, can you? The guy behind me who's tailgating.
Skills and better stories for your family and a better future. Ultimately, you work for you. And Indeed.com has all the tools you need to keep advancing your career. From job alerts and salary comparison to company pages with ratings and reviews.
What the hell is it?
Just show them forward. Be the boss of you with Indeed. You got this. Indeed, the world's #1 job site.
Look new? That's magic. Reface Magic puts new cabinet doors and drawer fronts on your existing cabinets.
Oh,
Fast
God.
and furious thoughts at 140 characters or less. With enough hashtags to break the internet. Edmonton Social Network.
Yeah, that was red.
Radio.
Okay, so this one is wanting to stay anonymous. It says therapy, one of the best decisions I've ever made. No medication, just knowing that I have trusted an uninvolved person that I can sort my stuff through in a safe environment. Okay, yes, amen to this.
Wish I would have gotten out of my show. Wish I put the bottle back on that shelf. Wish I wouldn't have worried about what other people thought. I felt comfortable with myself. Rooftop open.
Oh.
And the stars above.
I'm not exactly sure whose fault that was.
We just begun.
I'm living, so we turn it up. Yeah, we turning it up.
Continue straight for 25 minutes to exit 497. Hi.
I got a love and I know that it's all mine. Oh.
You ran the red light.
I fight God, just tell me how many burdens left. I fight pain and hurricanes, today I wept. I'm trying to fight back tears, blood on my doorstep.
That's illegal. You too.
Earthquake, the body drop, the ground breaks. The poor run with smoke lines and Scarface. We need a hero.
Discover girls don't cry after the face is made. But
Turn right on 51 Avenue Northwest.
Okay. You have serious psychological issues. Oh. What are you doing? You're an idiot. Oh, what? What was that? I don't know if the camera caught that. Oh, dear. Headlights? Do you have lights on? Doesn't look like it. Oh, what happened back there? That guy better not be trying to butt in the line. Well, why would they let him in? That is such a douche thing to do. You don't have lights on either. What the hell? You seem like someone who eats Tide Pods for breakfast. That was red. What the hell? That was red. Really?
Of your kitchen. Watch Reface Magic pull an instant quote right out of thin air in the comfort of
You're
your
so lucky
home.
that light turned red.
At Walmart, the lowest price is
Really?
everything. That's why large size watermelons are $3.97 each. Walmart. Save money, live better.
Just like you. Walk in, call, or visit statefarm.ca. Some conditions apply.
Here's why you should visit Audi Edmonton North this month.
Come celebrate Audi Edmonton North's 3-year anniversary in style this May with these exclusive offers, like finance rates starting from 0.9%, 3 months no payment.
A member of the Jim Pattison Auto Group.
And you don't know how to use a blinker.
Local resident wins
And
the
you're parking where you're not allowed to.
jackpot in Canada's history.
You are an
How you want
idiot.
to hear-
What are you doing? People really cannot get their shit together tonight.
Here comes first at King LASIK. We call this the royal treatment. You'll also take comfort in knowing that I've performed 100,000 LASIK.
What? Why are you driving with your hazard lights on? What are you doing? on, people. Always getting in the way.
Smart home? Why not add some dumb conversations? Say
40% off your purchase.
Exit right. Then stay to the left.
Yeah, Donna, you're late. She knows.
Oh, this person's going like 70 in the far left lane.
bonus on select 2-year
That
plans.
is not a
The best
crosswalk.
finds with extra data. You find that in your electric. Awesome. Visit a Fido store. Conditions apply. Fido, go get it.
There's nothing like living in a park.
Don't cross. Oh my god, you're crossing.
Your Cadillac is waiting. When it comes to a transfer and home building process, the choice is clear because only Morrison Homes offers an all-access pass with endless site visit privileges